Hello everyone. If your Windows system is acting up, throwing errors, or just running slower than usual, you don't always need to restart Windows. Today we're going to discover the most powerful built-in Windows tools to fix and restore your system. We'll be using the command prompt to track down file corruption, prepare US image, and check your hard drive for bad sectors. Let's get started. Type CMD in the Windows search bar and open it as administrator. First up is the System File Checker. This is your bread and butter for fixing system files. What this does is Scannow protect the system files, and if it finds a corrupted or modified file, it tries to pull a healthy copy from a cached folder and replace it. It's a very effective first step to resolve stability issues. You could be running into trouble. That's where the DISM tools come in. DISM works on the actual Windows image file rather than just individual files. There are three main commands you should use here. First, run DISM online cleanup image CheckHealth. This is a quick check to see if the system image is already flagged as broken. Next, you want to run DISM online cleanup image ScanHealth. This one scans for hidden issues or deeper corruption. And finally, the command that actually performs the repairs is DISM online cleanup image restore health. This will actually reach out to the Windows Update servers, download the fresh, uncorrupted original files, and replace the damaged ones on your system. It's a elite heavy lifter for operating system corruption. After that, you might want to check the physical health of your drive. That's where CheckDSK comes in. You generally run CheckDSK plus a flag like /RF to fix errors or /R to scan for bad sectors. Just be aware, if you use these flags, the system might ask you to restart the computer so it can lock the drive and perform a deep scan without anything interfering it.